My people, look at this. This is a guy with a beautiful fountain. As you can see, he's doing water out. It's very beautiful. I'm keeping this as a memory to myself. Look, you can see. Let me go a little bit farther away. See, guys? See how beautiful that is? It's incredible. We are in the city. We are in like a marketplace. Look at the view. It's incredible. And my favorite thing is this. And you also have a man. Hold on. You also have a man over there. A golden man who you can take picture with and give money. But this is my favorite. And we are enjoying the view, my people. We are enjoying the city. Peace out.